The Lord, what heavenly singing now. He said to me, "Oh, years old, I dedicate myself to you alone. The life I live is no longer my own." Oh, years old.
Listen, can I give you a mystery? When the Bible says he's the Alpha and the Omega, the beginning and do you know God can send a man to you to save you from something that is going to happen 10 years from now? He can see that 7 years from now there is a drought coming, and he sends a dream to you, Joseph. But Joseph, you need the wisdom to go back to him to interpret that dream. How many Josephs today have dreams and they don't remember them?
To you, separated.